Ever stared at your screen like it personally betrayed you? Like, gold, we had a thing. Why are you doing this to me? Yeah, if you've ever smashed a buy button only to watch the market do a flawless Olympic dive in the opposite direction, congratulations, you're officially a trader. Listen, if you're losing trades left and right and thinking, maybe Forex isn't for me, hold up, you're not cursed, you're not unlucky, you're just learning. And yeah, learning feels a lot like getting slapped repeatedly with a candlestick chart. Here's what's really going on. Most losing traders aren't dumb or lazy. The problem is emotional decision-making. You're not just trading gold, you're trading FOMO, revenge, hope, and sometimes plain boredom. You click buy not because your analysis said so, but because you were bored and it looked like it might go up. That's not trading, that's gambling with a spreadsheet. Here's a simple concept. Your brain is wired to avoid pain and chase pleasure. Every time you take a loss, it's painful. So your brain wants to make it back right now. That's why you double down, why you move your stop loss, why you ignore your plan. It's biology. You're not broken, you're just human. But here's the fix. Step 1. Pause before every trade, literally. Just 10 seconds. Ask yourself, am I following my plan or my feelings? If it's feelings, close the chart. Go drink water, pet a cat. Step 2. Use a tiny lot size, like ridiculously small. 0.01. Your ego won't like it, but your account will thank you. You're not here to win big, you're here to survive long enough to learn. Step 3. Track your trades. Not just profit and loss, track why you took them. Emotional, technical setup, signal from your third cousin's horoscope. Be honest. Patterns will show up and they won't lie to you like that perfect breakout did. And finally, don't isolate. Trading can be lonely, but it's less brutal when you realize every other trader has cried over a red candle too. Comment below your most embarrassing trade. Seriously, let's laugh, cry, and heal together. Look, you're not failing. You're just in the part of the story where the hero gets humbled before the comeback. And your comeback? It starts with one small win. One patient trade, one moment where you choose discipline over dopamine. So here's the deal. Try just one of those steps this week, then come back and tell me what happened. Subscribe if you want more tough love, gentle roasts, and strategies that actually work. And hey, you got this. Just maybe don't buy gold at the top again, okay? We've all been there.